Hello, this time this is video number 16 and I will show you how to deal with large sets of data in Excel. Now, first we will talk about the large set of data on one table. Now, the first is how to freeze the panes. So, if you want to look here and you look at this number, what's that number? You miss it, so you want to know fixed phone extension. They have to go back up and come back again here. So the first thing you want to do just to freeze this, and it goes down with you when you scroll down. Click on the cell under the label. This is the first step, to click here, and you go to View, Freeze Panes, Freeze Panes. Now when you go down, the panes stays with you. This is the first thing, how to freeze the panes. If you click here, it's not going to freeze the panes. Freeze the panes now. It freezed everything on the top, which is what you don't want. You click here on a freeze, then freeze only the top, which is the panes that up there. This is the first thing. The second thing, how to print a very big worksheet. So let's go to the sales, the sales data. Sales data is a huge amount of sales, a lot of data for 3 years, 13, 14, and 15. So now when you want to print it, you'll actually go to the file, print, and you will see it here. When you go down, it will mess up. And let's see the last. Okay, I got lucky here. It's containing all the data, all the table, and it's not like I want the top on each sheet. So we'll go back. We'll go to page layout. The first thing is I want to freeze those to keep them on each data. So print titles, rows to repeat on the top. Repeat this row on each top of the page. Now, okay, let's go to see how it will print it. Now, this on each page. You'll see it, it's on each page. This is the first thing. The second thing is the view, page break view. This usually stops here, and when you go to print it this way, it will go to print only until the sales column. So if you want, okay, this is how the usual error is. I just modified it before. So if you go to print it this way, you see now there's certain page, then the other side of the page it prints on other pages. That looks like a mess. That's not good to present or print and give to someone, because that means you don't even know how to modify your printing sheets. So you go back, you go to the view, you go to page break view, and you include the whole sheet. Just give it one row empty to show all the documents, show all the information. And now go back to the normal. I'll give it more space here with the numbers. And It should be an auto adjust when I double click. Okay, set it down, set it back. Okay, this is how to print. Now if you want to manage the formulas, let's go to the summary. The summary is the circulation. We have Beverly Town in 2013 and 14 and 15. If we want to bring it here to the summary, you enter an equation, we call it 3D formulas. You start it with equal, then go back to 13. You select this cell and you see 2013 B4. The cell is B4. Go back to, you add here, put the plus sign, shift down plus, and 2014 B4. And you add a plus here to make it like sum. And this is 2015 B4. Then you go back to the summary and you press enter. Summary. Okay, I did this mistake. 2013, 14, and 15. Okay, yes. I know there is a problem with this formula. So, go back here to B4. No, this will sum. This will not sum the formula. This will sum. Yes. I'll go back to 2014. We'll put plus. We'll go back to 2015. 2013 before, 2014 before, and 2015 before. And we're done. It made the sum for the three numbers of the 3 years for Beverly area in the summary. This is one way, and the second way, which is the fastest way, how to consolidate it. I'll show you how to make a consolidate. It's from here. Consolidate data, and you go to the data. Let's clean this and clean this. Oh, we clean the town and the circulation. Okay. Now consolidate data. Consolidate. Okay. Now I want to use the sum. The reference is all this. Now add, go to 2014, add the same, and go to 2015. It's already selected, just add them. And use labels. The labels are in the left lane, the left column. And create links to source data that when you click on this, if any number change in 2013, 14, 15, the summary numbers of the circulation will change too. So I will choose this. And the function I want to use is just the sum of the numbers. I'll click OK. It will put it all here for me with the sum of the amounts. That's the easiest, fastest way. Now memorize the number for Beverly. 3,245,998. Go back to 2014. Change the number here to 3,000. Enter. Go back to the summary. See that was minus 3000. Go back here, press Ctrl and C to bring the number back. You'll see the summary changed to 3,245,998. Make it look more nice. Add the currency. Maximize it. And that's it. This is how to deal with large sets of data on Excel. And okay, by the way, I forgot to talk about the grouping. Now, if I want to group, I will, let's see, what is a big set of data here? I'll show you how to group it in columns and rows. Yeah, but no, that's we can group this. It will just be a little hard because you will be grouping and scrolling all over the place. I'll use something easy. Yeah, let's choose one. Let's choose this one. So here, if I want to group the products and units and the price unit, and how to group it, go to data, you'll see group, cannot done a multiple range of selection. Okay, use 2, group, auto outline, group this, rows or columns. Now we'll use rows. Now group this one too. We'll just add it under it. So now I want to group the whole column. Okay. Now group this. I will just group the C by itself. Now I will group the D. Now it show you the salesperson and the sales he made, and you can ungroup the rows, ungroup them. Now if you want to group the rows like the name of the salesperson, just group this one. Okay, now DeMarcos. I want to group Smith. No, I want to group Smith. I want to group now Patterson. Okay, now each group, this one will show 2 names. This one will show 1 name, this one will show 1 name. So this is how to group it by select all, ungroup. Okay, this is how to group by rows or columns, vertically or horizontally. And this is how to deal with large sets of data. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your time and please subscribe for the channel. Thank you. See you next video.